I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can set up Webhook inside Reach-in-Box. So Reach-in-Box is a comprehensive email marketing tool designed to enhance email deliverability and improve communication with your audience. So its primary focus is ensuring your emails land in the primary inbox of your recipients and rather than being filtered into spam or promotional folders. So this helps businesses to maximize the effectiveness of their email campaigns, boosting engagement rates and ensuring important messages reach their intended audience. So here why we need to set up Webhook in Reach-in-Box by using Pabbly Connect. So Webhook is an incredible way to automate real-time data exchange between Reach-in-Box and other apps, and this will allow me to instantly trigger actions like updating email lists, sending notifications, or even integrating with CRM tools. So the moment a specific event occurs, like a new subscriber added, an email has been opened, or an email has been bounced, so by using these specific events, we can set up a new automation. So imagine I'm running an online store. I want to capture and analyze every time a customer clicks a link in my email campaign, and by setting up a Webhook in Reach-in-Box, I can automatically log this data into a Google Sheet or update my CRM application. So this will mean that I don't have to use any manual tracking, and all this will happen in real time by using Pabbly Connect. So here by using Pabbly Connect, I'm going to show you how you can set up Webhook inside Reach-in-Box, and you can connect Reach-in-Box with Pabbly Connect. So here first I need to use Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. Now if you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account, then you can just click on sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to set up Webhook inside Reach-in-Box. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Create, and it will direct us to this most important window for our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I need to first set up my trigger, and here while setting up our trigger, we are going to set up Webhook. So here for setting up the trigger, we need to search for our trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be Reach-in-Box. I'm going to select Reach-in-Box here. And now I have to give my trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and email sent is going to be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect Reach-in-Box with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that, I need to use this Webhook URL. So this Webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Reach-in-Box and Pabbly Connect. And for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. So here what I need to do is I need to first log into my Reach-in-Box account. And as I will go to my dashboard, I will see my profile section where I need to navigate to Settings tab. So in settings, I will find the option of integration where I will have the option of Webhooks. And as I'm going to get the Webhook option, then I need to add a new Webhook. And by setting up that Webhook, I can connect Reach-in-Box with Pabbly Connect. So here for setting up this Webhook, I need to first copy this Webhook URL. And now I need to take it to my Reach-in-Box account. And here this is my profile section. So I'm going to open that. And now I'm going to go to settings. And here in settings, we can see I have this particular option of integrations. So I'm going to open that. And now here in this integrations option, I have this particular option of Webhooks. So I'm going to open that. And now here in Webhooks, I need to add a new Webhook. So I'm going to click on this Add Webhook button. And here first, I need to add my Webhook URL. So here I'm going to paste my Webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I have to give my campaign. So here I need to open this tab, and here in this tab I'll find all the campaigns that I'm running on my Reach-in-Box account, and I can use any particular campaign that I want to use, or I can select all campaigns. So simply I'm going to select test here. So this is my campaign that I've just created, and I have created this campaign for showing how we can set a webhook inside Pabbly Connect. Now here I have to give my event type. So I'm going to open this tab, and email sent is going to be my event type. So I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to click on add webhook. And here we can see I have successfully added this webhook with my campaign name. Now that I have set up my webhook, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this blank response. So I have received this blank response because I have successfully set up a webhook inside Pabbly Connect. Now here what I need to do is I need to click on this reCAPTCHA webhook response button. I will click on yes. And here we can see it is waiting for a webhook response. Now that from my campaign, whenever I'm going to send a new email to my leads, then automatically I'm going to get that webhook response here in Pabbly Connect. So for this, let me take you to Reach Inbox. I'm going to go to my campaigns, and here this is my test campaign. So I'm going to open this, and here this is my campaign, and I have scheduled my campaign for sending the email. Now I'm going to click on save, and here I have successfully scheduled my campaign. Now that as I will send a new email from this particular campaign to my lead, then automatically I'm going to get that response of that sent email in Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of the email that I have sent through my campaign to all my leads. So here I have the lead email. So this is my email address to whom I have sent this email. And here I have my event, that is email sent. So I have successfully sent this email. I have my email subject, I have my email body, and I have all these other details. So here we can see that I have successfully sent my email through Reach Inbox to my leads. And as I have sent this email, I have successfully received that response here in Pabbly Connect. So here I have received this response of sended email just because I have set up this webhook inside Reach Inbox by using Pabbly Connect. Now every time I'm going to send an email by using any campaign in Reach Inbox, then automatically I'm going to get that response here in Pabbly Connect. So here by using all these steps, I have successfully set up webhook inside Reach Inbox, and I have received that response here in Pabbly Connect. Now I can connect Reach Inbox with any application that I want according to my use case. I can connect this with my database, I can connect this with my CRM application, or I can connect this with any application that I want. So here by setting a webhook inside Reach Inbox, you can connect Reach Inbox with Pabbly Connect, and you can successfully set up your trigger. And now after setting up your webhook, you can create your workflow and your automations according to your use case. So here by using all these steps that I did in my video, you can successfully set a webhook inside Reach Inbox, and you can create multiple automations and connect Reach Inbox with any particular application that you want to do. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I'm also going to add the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.